The Pamban Bridge is a railway bridge located in Tamil Nadu, India that connects the island of Rameshwaram to mainland India. It was the first sea bridge in India and is also the second longest sea bridge in the country, with a length of 2.3 kilometers. The bridge was constructed by the British in 1914 and was initially a cantilever bridge, which was later converted into a double-leaf bascule bridge in 1964. The Pamban Bridge is also known as the Anai Indira Gandhi Bridge, named after the former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. The bridge is an engineering marvel as it stands tall over the Palk Strait, which is known for its strong winds and high tidal waves. The bridge is also famous for its rolling bridge mechanism, where the bridge can be opened up to let ships and ferries pass through. The Pamban Bridge is a major tourist attraction and draws thousands of visitors every year. It offers stunning views of the ocean and the surrounding areas. The bridge has undergone several renovations and upgrades over the years to ensure its structural integrity and safety. The Pamban Bridge is also an important transportation link, connecting Rameswaram to the mainland and facilitating the movement of goods and people. The bridge has been featured in several Bollywood and Tamil movies, making it a popular landmark in popular culture.